welcome to your first lesson at linguarum.club. Welcome! What can we answer? Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. My dear students, I'm very happy to see you today. Let's greet each other. Hello. Hello. Very good. You all know English very well because you travel abroad and use sign language. If you don't know the words, you use gestures. So today we're going to start with the sign language. I want to know how you're going. How are you? If you are fine, you say, I am fine. Show on gestures. I am fine. Fine. If you are okay, you say, I am okay. I am okay. If you are so-so, you say, I am so-so. I am so-so. Very good. Let's. I am fine. I am okay. I am so-so. And now, let's get acquainted. My name is Christina. What is your name? My name is... Nice to meet you. We are here today to learn English. So, let's get started. Are you ready? Yes. Today, we are going to England. But before, let's check the weather. Now it is light. And now it is dark. Now it is light. And now it is dark. So, it is dark. Very good. So, what is this? This is the sun. Very good. This is the sun. Look at the picture. Is the weather fine or nasty? It is nasty. Is the sun in the sky? No, it isn't. The sun is not in the sky. The sun is not in the sky. Is the sky light or dark? Look at the sky. It is dark. It is dark. Very good. It is dark. Is it cold or hot? It Very good. So the weather is nasty. The weather is nasty. Is it raining? It is raining. Very good. So the weather is nasty. Let's pack our things. What is this? Passport. What is this? This is a sweater. This is a sweater. What is this? This is a crossword. What is this? Credit card. Credit card. What is this? Bag. This is a bag. Let's play a game. You know, when I was packing, I forgot something. Guess what it is. Is it a crossword? No, it isn't. Is it a... No, it isn't. Sweater? No, it isn't. Is it bag? Yes, it is. This is a bag. Choose one thing And I will guess what you have forgotten. Is it a sweater? No, it isn't. Is it a mobile phone? Is it a bag? No, it isn't. Is it a credit card? Yes, it is. My turn. No, it isn't. Bag? No, it isn't. Crossword. Is it a crossword? No, it isn't. Passport. Yes, it is. This is a passport. Your turn. Is it a credit card? Is it a passport? No, it isn't. Is it a sweater? No, it isn't. Is it a crossword? Yes, it is. Yes. So we are ready. But let's check the weather again. So, look at the picture. Is the weather fine or nasty? The weather is fine. Fine. Is the sun in the sky? Is it raining? No, it isn't. It is not raining. It is not raining. Is it cold or hot? Is the sky light or dark? Where are we going? To the airport. Let's go to the airport. Will you stand up? This is a plane. What do we usually do in the plane? We sleep. We drink. We drink. We eat. We eat. We read a book. We draw a picture. We draw a picture. Do we smoke a cigarette in the plane? Do we smoke a cigarette in the plane? No, we don't. Do we talk on the phone in the plane? No, we don't. Do we eat? Yes, we do. Do we sleep? Do we drink? Yes, we do. Well done. So, I'm a stewardess and you're a passenger. Would you like to eat? Yes. What would you like? To sleep. I would like to sleep. What would you like? To I would like to drink. I would like to drink. Would you like to drink some water? Yes. Yes. So, let's sleep. Let's sleep. Show me sleep. Let's sleep. Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Let's drink. Let's eat. Let's draw a picture. So now the plane lands and we go to the airport, to the Heathrow Airport of London. Welcome. Welcome to the Heathrow Airport. We are at the passport control. I'm a passport control officer. Can I have your passport, please? Here you are. Thank you. Welcome to the Heathrow Airport. We are at the airport. Let's have some coffee. Would you like some coffee? I will order first. You ask what I want. Would you like some tea? No, thank you. Would you like some water? Would you like some water? No, thank you. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Yes, thank you. Would you like some coffee with milk? Yes, thank you. And now I'm a waitress. It's time to order. Would you like some tea? Would you like some Coke? Would you like some coffee? Thank you. Would you like some coffee with milk? Well done. So now it's time to go to London. What is this? This is a bus. So, can we go by bus? Yes, we can. What is this? This is a car. This is a car. Can we go by car? Yes, we can. What is this? This is a train. Can we go by train? Yes, we can. What is this? It's a taxi. Taxi. Can we go by taxi? Yes, we can. What is this? This is a shuttle. This is a shuttle. Can we go by shuttle? Yes, we can. And now we're outside. How many taxi cabs are there? 1? No. 2? No. 5? No. Many. There are many taxi cabs. There are many taxi cabs. There are many taxi cabs. Let's go to the taxi. Let's take the taxi. My dear students, thank you for being here with me. See you in the next lesson. Bye.